Color.
Look at Greenie.
Make sure she don't fall.
Greenie.
Turn around. Look up for Daddy.
Greenie.
Go get Chloe.
Greenie.
Green. Actually, it's not Green. Say, it's Abby. Say hi. This is Abby.
Abby.
Chloe, say, this is Abby. Where you going, Chloe?
Leave her up
Come here. You want to go on that pillow? There you go.
there. Look, Abby.
So you were fighting with your siblings earlier.
She was roughhousing,
Roughhousing.
having a good
So
time.
now I'm all tired. Come on. Where you going? Where you going?
Let her walk.
Hey, look. What's over here?
That's it.
Abby. Come here, Abby. Hey, what you looking at? Abby. You know she needs a toy. Hey, Abby. It's not a toy. Here. What's that? What's that? What's that? What is that? Chloe. What is that? Is that Chloe's toy? Chloe's gonna have to share her toys. Get you some toys. Say, see my green collar? I have a new collar. What is that? What is that? I heard a bark. Ruff, ruff, ruff. What is that? Oh, come get it.
Good girl.